Yeah. My baby mama went celibate. Lies on my breath, she said she couldn't take the smell of it. Tired of the rumors, every room had an elephant. Tryna find her shoes, rummaging through the skeletons. She took away sex, took me out of my element. I tried to do the single dad mingle dance at the club with the iron in my wrinkled pants. You could fall much faster than you think you can. Big hands for my ring, I'ma need a Pringles can. I just want to shine back like a Eagles fan. My ego like, oh damn, there he go, praying again, the same old thing. I mean, I ain't gon' promise that the pain go away, and you could take your sweet time, but she ain't gon' wait. Cause a new coat of paint don't make the stain go away, but he go high. And we go high. They go low, we go higher, higher. My wife nanny like Fran Drescher. 3 damn Grammys, my granny like no pressure. So much style, my stylist got no dresser. Fuck going straight to the pros, I'm professor. Fuck being one of the goats, I'm goat tanks. Tried to try that with my girl, she no thanks. Dropped the bomb, I couldn't find a Tom Hanks. Got me pressed trying to find Devon Frank. Who the fuck rocked the boat is gon' sink. Shooting at me point blank with those blanks. They don't take teenage angst at no banks. Try some new hues like Langston gon' paint. You gotta come harder than that. It's two different things. It's too bad, and it's so sad. It's too bad, and it's so sad. It's two things. It's too bad. We get a glory to you, God, one living true God. You make us booyah, throw up the woo like you, God. They prop up statues and stones, try to make a new God. I don't need an e-God, as long as I got you, God. Deep breather woosah, pretty sure I need you in this season like a flu shot. I just sit and wait like I'm with Kirsten when she shoe shop. Know you always with me like how Diddy be with Blue Dot. Got us move around without the straps like a tube top. Got me big comfy like Molly's couch, floating around the city like Malcolm X dollied out. They highly doubt, I guarantee it. This the part of my life, my lifetime movie probably bout. When they come to jump aboard, I won't ollie out. I too was once a snotty nose with a potty mouth. One day you get one oak, then pop it out. And popping out don't seem as popular as just passing out. Your time get rationed out, you get rationed out. Folks become patches inside the fashion house. They start to clash and you let them hash it out. But stay passive, so if they crash, you got a fasten belt. Lord bless my lineage, let me be the skinniest. Let me get some time with them, let them know who Kenny is. Children born in one's youth are like arrows in the hands of a warrior. Well, I got an extendo with a long nose like Phineas. Kids proud like Penny is. BB and CC, I need like 20 twins. Got her in my family like Indian. Feel it in your gut like when you uppercut Balchinians. Speaking of guts, hers poking out like Winnie in the red shirt. I don't have to teach you a lecture about how sex works. I found out diamonds make pressure. I used to dive head first, just know I had to let go of the flesh first. It's true, God, this union was for you, God. We standing at the stoop, we wanna make it to the rooftop. You told us bring some people through, we tried to bring a few, God. We tried to form a new bar, just tell us what to do, God.